I had my first experience with this Halloween nonsense. Going from house to house, collecting sugar and sweets. And it's their parents for me, following them like a bunch of jobless people. Even the sound that is coming from that house. Better stand for what you know. Because the lines are so blurred now. Even Christians are partaking in Halloween. What are we celebrating? What's this? Is it being the one answering the door? Because at a point, it's also me. I'm probably the only one in this my neighborhood. I don't think I've seen Christmas lights anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. See, today I had my first experience with this Halloween nonsense. I can't tell you how many times my bell rang tonight on top of this witchcraft ritual that in fact the houses here are decorated too. In fact, it's just I don't want to show people's houses, but I had to be telling my children from a very young age that this thing is witchcraft too. Don't look at it as normal and they are sharing candy. Which candy for what? Is the candy too much candy? Is it good? And besides, we already have candy in the house. We buy candy almost every month. At least so that the children have candy in the house. Not that it's something that will be entering their eye when they go out. So I buy it once in a while. Yes, we have it in the house. So it's not a festival for sweet sharing and all of that. We had to turn off the light in the living room. Turn on the light in the kitchen. Turn on the light like in the hallway. Like nobody could stay in the front part of the house, up and down, just so that we will stop getting knocks on our door. Yeah, it is well. The anniversary of witchcraft, where you have children dress up in all manner of demonic and scary attires, going from house to house, collecting sugar and sweets. It's the way these children are dressed, asking for sweets. There's even one house just down the road. They're having a full-on party. Their parents that are dressed up, they have walked to that house. That house is like it's the most decorated house in this. My house and probably one or two other houses are the only houses that are not decorated for Halloween. We don't have pumpkins in front of our house, or we don't have any decoration at all for fall. You have grown-ups dressed up with blood stains and torn clothes and like decaying or decomposing bodies. They are walking to this house that is like the headquarters for the Halloween. If you see the decoration, the massive spider, the cobwebs here, even the sound that is coming from that house. Jesus Christ. Well, for those who make this thing look like it's normal for their children and they let their children dress up along, better stand for what you know. Because these are the days that those who know their God shall be strong. Because the lines are so blurred now. Even Christians are partaking in Halloween. What are we celebrating? What's this to the body of Christ? I'm so happy that my children are so on board, because it's something that we've been telling them since when they were young. My eldest has been the one answering the door all night. Sorry, we don't do Halloween in this house. Sorry, no candy. We don't celebrate Halloween in this house. He's been the one answering the door, because at a point it's also me. More tired. Because what? Why? And then you see them when we stand there and tell them we don't celebrate Halloween. And then they look confused, like why? God forbid. Anyway, instead of going that way, I've decided to move forward and be a trailblazer, a pace setter. I've gone to decorate my house for Christmas. I'm probably the only one in this my neighborhood. I don't think I've seen Christmas lights anywhere. I don't think I've seen Christmas decoration anywhere. I'm the only one. I'm the first person to do it. And that's where we get to today's sponsor. I know you guys have talked about this my sponsorship on this channel, but we'll talk about it later. But first, let's say market. Okay, let's say market. We'll come back. We'll finish this gist. All right, so Elegear has sent us this LED lights. These are their waterproof, battery powered Christmas decoration lights, and I love them so much. I'll tell you about some of the things that I love about them. One of it is that it's battery powered, and that means I have no cost in terms of my electricity bills. It has comes with 8 settings. This is their waterproof LED Christmas lights. I love the fact that it is long as well. However, this thing doesn't come with batteries, but it is powered by three AA batteries. You also get 300 lights in total with this bundle. The length is 40 meters, and I just love it. It also comes with a manual. So you guys watch me install this. It's really simple and it's also versatile. You get to style up your house or decorate your house however you please. You can also connect more than one light to this. So say you had like 3 or 2 lights that you have bought from them, you can connect them together and it just makes for a really nice decoration. I love the fact that it is also rental friendly. So there's really not much drilling or, so much that I have to do to install these lights. This is the style that I'm going with for now. I will be redecorating because my hand not is still one place. I will be redecorating at some point, and I'll also be carrying you guys along. This is everything all installed. And the moment of truth, you guys, peep my smile. I love these lights. They are so subtle and I love them. I love the fact that it glows not too bright, but it's just the perfect amount. I'm going to turn off the second light here so you can see what it looks like in the dark. It just looks like you are in a plane and you're looking down at the street lights. It's just so beautiful, you guys. This is the multicolored one that I got. This light also comes in blue and warm white, so you can choose your pick from there. They are an Amazon vendor, so you know that you will be getting this sharp. All right, you guys, this is the lights. It's so lovely. I love the fact that not much is required, and it's a great addition to my Christmas decoration collection. So the rest of the house will be decorated subsequently, but I just wanted to show you guys this light. Like I said, I love the fact that it is waterproof because in this UK weather you really cannot predict when the rain will fall, and the fact that you can just leave these out while it rains, perfect. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this light is that it's great for indoor and outdoor use. So you can choose to use them inside or take them outside. They do not need any extra wires or cable. They are powered by batteries and you can just leave them out here in the rain. It has up to about 8 settings and you can choose how you want the lights to display. It's really lovely. It's subtle, it gets the job done. Get you some LED lights. You can choose to double the amount or leave them as is. I also love the fact that it is rental friendly and I did not use any screws or bolt or anything to attach this lights to the fence. I just basically hinged them on, so they are great for decorating and taking them down as well, so it will be no stress at all. Thank you again to today's sponsor. I will see you guys in the course of the video. See, this is my rant tonight. The way the lines are so blurred, especially for those of us who say that we are Christians, the way lines are so blurred is shocking. It's shocking. God will have mercy upon us. God will help us. The boys are downstairs now. They're about to go to bed. Their dad is getting them ready. But me, I still have to edit videos and do some work for Instagram tonight before I go to bed. But you guys, it didn't funny. It actually didn't funny because what if you see costumes tonight? How will you dress your children up like this? Like, do you see your children like that? Like monsters, like witches? Why is this a celebration? Even if you don't believe in God, why will you? I don't understand the concept of Halloween, and I will never get it. I will never, because Why would you want to dress your children up or even dress up like that? There's this woman that I saw when I went to check the recycling out just now. She looked like a zombie. I couldn't tell if she was human or not. I couldn't tell. She was going with her daughter. Your child is seeing you. Me, I don't get it. I don't think I'll ever get it. Excuse me, but me, I don't think I'll ever get it. It is where. Can't be stressed tonight. I can't. Honestly, I cannot. God forbid.
Anyway, you guys, please just let me know. Am I the only one who thinks this way, or who has this line of thought? Because is it that I'm old fashioned, or I just have a different outlook on the world? These things are not normal. They have never been normal to me. I was not raised to see this as normal. And there's no way I'm raising my children to be complacent. There has to be a clear divide between light and darkness. This is pure darkness, pure evil, because it's not well wishing. There's nothing good about Halloween. I've not heard or seen anything good about Halloween. You buy expensive costumes, wear them only one day of the year, and then you dress up looking like your nightmare. It makes no sense to me. I don't know. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. But before we go, guys, let's quickly address this issue of sponsorship, because two comments stood out in my previous video, and I just wanted to touch on that before I put out the next video. You guys, you should be giving yourself a pat on the back, because it means that your response or your engagement on my videos has led brands to me, and it's just a way of bringing brands, different kinds of brands, to you. I try to incorporate these brands into my vlogs and try not to just isolate them or treat them as different. But if you guys are unhappy about it, I understand, and you have a right to voice your complaints, but it is something that will not end anytime soon, to be honest, honestly, because it's something I've prayed for, and I'm finally getting the recognition that I want, and I'm not going to be backing down from that. I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in my next one.